We're getting it together. Hey, hey. All right, we're good. Recording is in progress. All right, so you can get the um access. Now you was record the access. Hello, everybody. You heard me, Ari?
Yes, yes, I hear you. I got the message. It's being recorded.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you just share your
You want me
screen.
to share now? Okay.
Yeah. There you go. All right, we good. We good.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, all right. So then here we have AMD at the daily.
I don't see your
It's,
screen though.
you don't see it? I'm sharing. Oh, goodness. I'll stop
Is it-
again.
Hold on. Or did it, can you see it, Ricky? Or is it?
Oh no, I sent requests. Did you approve it?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
did.
Okay, cool.
I already had
Can you
started.
see it?
Now I can. Yeah,
Okay,
beautiful.
cool. All right.
Right.
So we have AMD at the daily. So we'll start at the daily and then I guess we can move forward. So based
Mhm.
on what I've learned, we assess I had a weekly, daily, and 4 hour to determine, I guess, entry or where it makes sense to enter a swing. So if we look at the daily, it's been in an uptrend until recently, until maybe early February.
Mhm.
It gapped down and formed a lower high. And but it's been in range now. I guess since October, it's been in range. But it broke down 202. Like I had this as a key level
Mhm.
to to monitor because
Right.
it's just been hovering over it. But now it broke below it and it's below all moving averages and it's below this 50-week moving average. It's below. So I have 8, 21, and 50. Like we have the 8 and 50 cross and the 13 and 50 crossed.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
it's below. So as of now, it's trending slowly, grinding down. That's at the daily.
Mhm.
And then if we look at the 50-week, I'm sorry, the weekly, it's been in range and just these small candles since last week closed below this. What was support is now resistance at, I guess, at 203.
Okay.
If we look at the 4 hour, it's trending down as well. And based on what we've learned,
Mhm.
it's best to get in at a lower high. So I may have missed it for now.
On a lower high. Okay, so
Yeah.
question. So
hmm
are you thinking that this is going to go up or this is going to go down? Like, what's your prediction?
As of now, I think it'll go down because
Okay.
it's trending down and it's in the gap now from this gap up here from October. So on October 3rd, it gapped up. So I've been waiting for this. I'm like, oh, when it hovers around back this area 203, and if it breaks below it, it may have the potential of going back down. And so if I do like the Fibbo, um, here we have A, B, C.
Mm-hmm. Fibbo, what's up?
Um, but it made it C just made it here to like the 38 line, just
Mm-hmm.
around it. So it may
Right.
potentially make it down to the gap where it gapped up from.
Ah, I see that.
You
Yeah.
see it?
And yeah, that was back in October, like you said.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you have that marked up. So
But
you're
but I may have missed my entry if it I missed this lower high. Well, I started working on this when we came up with this confluence session. Uh,
okay.
but I wanted to see your thoughts. So like at a weekly, it's just it's declining at a daily and 4 hour. price is declining slowly.
Price is declining slowly. That it is definitely declining. So the lower high. So, and how long have you been watching this? Just since last week?
Yeah, just last week.
This last week? No, 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 really. And what was their earnings? Click on that little E at the bottom. Yeah.
I think everyone's passing,
Okay, yeah.
except except like semis are just not hot right now.
Mm,
Or tech isn't. Oh,
yeah, tech sucks right now.
yeah, so like no matter what, like if they're green, they're going down.
Yeah, that's pretty much the base of it. Okay, so and then what's that red
This
EMA?
this is the 50, that 50 week.
Okay, a 50 week. Oh, is it the
Yeah,
30?
so
Oh,
yeah, that's the 50 week.
okay, 50 week. Oh, gosh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Oh,
30. 30.
oh, so maybe I should adjust it. I thought it was
No,
I
no,
thought it
no. It
was
was
a
30.
I thought it was a Stan one.
Yeah, the stand one. That it's 30, not 50. But you're right. It's right. It's right.
I should leave it.
Yeah. It's
Long-term,
good.
weekly, daily shows I it's 30.
Yeah,
Okay, I
30 at the
was
top. That's the
okay.
only thing
Leave
you
it. Yeah,
Yep.
I think
Just
we leave everything as default, right?
yeah, yeah. And just click OK. Or just oh yeah, if you don't want those in there.
Yeah, I don't want those.
Okay. Boom. All
Okay.
right. So is okay. So what I see here is
Mm-hmm.
like um double bottom. Yes, I do see ABC on the fib. Yes. And then we were talking about how price gives you a higher low. Well, if a higher low comes after a
Mm-hmm.
lower high, which it did, right?
Yeah.
That's a failure to go where?
Lower.
Correct, which means it could possibly start pushing back up because like if you look at the low and the higher low, it's kind of like giving you like a double bottom, right?
Oh, these two?
That one and that one. Yeah,
Okay.
a little one,
Mm-hmm,
but
mm-hmm,
nevertheless, it's
mm-hmm.
still a double bottom. And go to the monthly again. Okay, monthly. That's just okay. So it's still on the uptrend. Okay, it's
Mm-hmm.
just pulling back. Okay, now go to the weekly. I just want to see the trend. Weekly is a low. Okay, weekly. Okay, now that's weird. So I see the double top up there.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's conflicting. So what that means is on the monthly, it looks like a bull flag, right?
Mm, okay.
Yeah, because it's pulling back. I mean, it's kind of slightly consolidating, you know.
Yeah. Like
Um,
this. Yeah, I see that.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And on the daily, on the weekly, um, it's looking like a double top, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then go down to the 4 hour. 4 hours is clearly in the downtrend. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And the 1 hour gonna do the same thing with more candles. Okay, so low. Okay, low. Okay, yeah, go to the 1 hour. 1 hour. Yep, same thing, more candles. All right. So that is clearly in the downtrend. So you gotta look. Okay. I mean, monthly is
Up.
is giving like a pullback. It's in a
Yeah.
like a bull
Like a
flag.
bull flag.
Yeah, weekly is looking like double top. Daily, go back to the daily again now.
That's where we have a double bottom.
You see all this confliction?
Mm. So too much. So when like all the time frames are conflicting,
So
it doesn't know where it's going.
well, and that's the thing. So this is where I mean, because okay, then you look at the extended details. So you got the 30 week. It just closed underneath the 30 week.
Mm-hmm.
Like what's today? Today's Monday. So that
Yeah.
was Friday, like that little three
Friday.
looking candle,
Yeah.
right? And it's underneath the 20. Your purple one is a 20?
That's a 50.
50 is purple. And what color? What's the blue one?
8. Oh, 21.
21.
So
Okay. And
I have
orange
8, and then the orange is 20. I mean 8.
8. Okay. All right. Yeah. So because it's underneath all of the EMA,
Mm-hmm.
and then put if you can, you got the ASFX on there on your
No,
indicators?
which one? The
ASFX, yeah, the
the
second one.
EMA one?
Yeah. I just want to see where the 200 and the 800 lays at.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh
Just
yeah, but that I have the 50. So the
50 is
purple
purple.
50, two
Mhm.
hundred, and 800.
Okay, and 800. All right. Now,
It's
okay.
bouncing
And
off of the 200.
that's what I was about to say. So now, if price retest, and I think I had looked this up um on the call, like if you Google a retest of a 200 touch, that's high probability that it could go up. Now, if it closes underneath the 200, then it's probably on the way to the 800.
Okay.
But if it bounces off of there, because we do see a double bottom right there,
Mm-hmm.
it could definitely be headed back up to close that gap.
Okay.
And but however, it still
Oh,
has not.
we have this one here. Okay.
Yeah, you got a little gap right there, but then you got the
Mm-hmm.
little gap underneath to the left back in October
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
that the price has not came down to fill that out either. So what I would say, so it really depends on if it's going to respect that 200 or not.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So the higher low, of course, is failure to go lower, and it definitely could bounce back up. But also we know how price works too, is if it keeps, like if tomorrow, if it's a bearish candle and it's underneath that 200, that thing going to the 800. That just point
Mm-hmm.
blank. But if it
Like,
bounces off there, it has the potential to go up.
okay. I think I'll do that. I'm gonna add an alert on the 200
Yeah, 200. The
and the
200.
daily 1 bar close.
Yeah, per bar close. That's right. There you go. Bam. So hello. You gotta set alerts. Alerts are very important.
Okay.
And then you also wanna remember we had went to bar chart?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I would go to bar chart.
And then get the
The
third
just
resistance.
just the bottom and the top one. Well, the lowest support and the highest resistance. I mean, that's all the ones I care about. I mean, you can do the other ones in between.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no. Let's see which ones do you care about.
Right. So yeah, put it in there. Boom. Oh, weak sell. You seen that?
What'd you
Moderate
say?
weak sell at the top. Go back up. Right there.
Oh, okay.
This is opinion rating. 8% sell with average short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Okay. Boom. Interesting. Okay. And set in a 52-week range. That's interesting too. All right. Now go down to that little, yeah, that part on the right. Right there. Boom. So the highest resistance and the lowest support.
That's what you put. And this changes like every day.
It does. That's the annoying part. But at least you can have an idea. So third level of support, 188. And where's AMD at? Go back one screen.
Like 203.
203 right now. Okay.
Oh no, what that was my line, but it's right now I close at 195
195. Okay. So
around there.
if it,
Let's
whatever
see. It closed at
188,
196, 196.60.
196.60. Okay, so that's a few dollars away from the 188. So go back to bar chart really quick.
Okay.
Bar chart. So the last, the third support level, if it closes underneath that, then it's
Mm-hmm.
going to keep falling. If it closes back above 204.50,
Mm-hmm.
then yeah, it could go up. So those would be when it's in limbo like that, this is where I come
Yeah.
here. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it gives you like some kind of like direction. Because I right at this moment you don't know. I mean, because it could go up, it could go down. We're seeing so much conflict, it's hard to really say, oh, it's gonna go up or oh, it's gonna go down because the different time frames are saying it's different things. If they were all in agreement, then they'd be like, okay, well, we can obviously see it's about to go up, but it's not.
Mm.
So it's like, okay. Yep. It's just right the third resistance and the third support. And as it changed, you just change your coordinates. Just like every morning, when you get up the market chart.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because it does change, update rather, because the market moves, so.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so it's a third resistance. So if it closes, continues to close below it,
Yeah, I would do the third support too.
the third support. I think that was 188.81.
It was 188 something, 81.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then you can set alerts for those. Mhm.
And you put the first support,
No, the third. That's the third
the
one.
third support.
Yeah,
Oh,
because that's the lowest
okay.
one.
The lowest one. Okay.
I mean, if you want to mark the other
No,
ones up.
no. Put those, you just care at the third level.
Yeah, I care about the
Okay.
last one because that's what's going to make the impact. Or
Okay. So if it here, if well, how do you assess the third support? What do you do? How do you monitor the third resistance? If it closes above it, then it's going up. If it closes below it,
it's going to keep
it
going down because at that point it's underneath the 200.
okay. Oh,
Right.
so if it closes below it, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because it's just going to go to the 800. And that's just how the price works.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, and if it takes out that low sitting on the 200. So if it
Mm,
breaks that structure, then yeah. So if it breaks the structure, break the 200, break the support level, that's three confluences right there that's telling you it's going to the 800.
yeah. And then like it broke this one here. That's why I think like this, it broke this
Oh, that low.
structure.
Yep.
Yeah. So it broke that structure.
BOS. There you go. That part. And it's like in between there. So yeah, that will be the line in the sand for me if
Okay.
it break that 188 for sure, because at that point all three of them will be broken and you know where it's headed to. And you can draw back up the fib or, just getting into a put because at
Yeah,
that point, yeah. But if it breaks resistance, then
yeah.
yeah, it could be going back up to fill that gap and then probably up back up to that high up there to the swing high.
Mm,
So it
okay.
could go either way, it really could.
Yeah. Okay.
So those would be my deciding factors. So and then you could put alerts on both of the resistance and support.
Oh, yeah. Well, this one here, I have one if it closes below the 200. So if it
Okay.
closes below the 200, it's going to be here if it, and then I'll add one to the third resistance if it, or if it goes above it, I'll monitor.
Okay.
Okay.
That looks great. That looks great.
Let me add, oh, there. I'll add it. Okay. So I added the resistance too. And then we have the 200. All right. So that
Mm.
was one. And I don't know, anyone else gonna share? I wanted to assess. You just shared one yesterday on IWM. Did you enter it? I mean, I just read it today. I haven't entered it.
Today, not yet. IWM. Yes, this is the one I was calling out. Okay. What is the question on it? Okay, because your purple is what again?
50.
Okay, the 50. Yes.
So we
Anything.
have we have 8, 21, 50, and then this 30.
Okay, right. And then 200, 800. Okay, got it. Okay, 8, 21, 50. All right. For sure. Okay, I like that.
And you're
Yeah.
just waiting for it to close about this higher low?
Yep. That's it. Boom. Higher, low. That be my entry all the time. Above the high low, and then my stop loss is underneath the higher low.
The higher low.
Yeah, because I called out a Tesla play because it had a higher low, but that
Oh,
thing,
it did?
woo, tech
What
ain't
happened?
going good, man. Yeah, the higher low kept getting lower. I was like, okay, I'm not entering it. Like, it's
Mm.
yeah, I be seeing the setup be
Oh, so yeah, it just kept going like high low here.
right.
Okay.
And I'm like, okay, now it's beneath the 30 week, and now it's
At the
tapping.
200.
Yeah, it's literally tapping on that 200. So right
Mm-hmm.
there, it can bounce. Now, if it bounce off that 200, it could definitely back up.
Okay.
But it's just kind of like right now. So I'm not
Mm.
getting in
Yeah,
there
no, no.
until it at least cross that lower high because yeah, it got to get back up there for me.
Okay. Yeah, no, of course. Did you get into GS like financials were low today?
Yeah, yeah.
You
Uh-huh.
did? You got in it? You're
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. Yeah. GS. Yeah. That one's a cool one. They gotta get back up at that 50 though, but well, sort of kind of. It look like it's trying to.
You put GS for a put, didn't you?
Did I gotta look at it.
Yeah, I thought I saw a put.
Let me look at it. Girl, I be putting so much out there, I can't even remember. But yeah, you're right. Uh, oh,
Did you enter it?
yes, I did. I am in the put.
Okay.
You're absolutely right.
Okay, okay. Are you able to let us know when you get in?
I can, but I tell you what to look for.
Yeah, yeah. Or the confluence you saw when you got it.
Ah, got you. Yeah,
Maybe
absolutely.
that, like in the confluence section, just like the confluence you saw.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, yeah. I can. Let me write that down because I be doing 25 things.
No, that's good. If you write it down and you still get it done, that's good.
Yeah, let me.
You're disciplined. Are you naturally disciplined or you just learn
No,
to be disciplined?
it's a learned behavior. I will be a complete liar. I'm like, yeah, girl. It's just like lies. Absolutely not. It's a learned
Okay.
behavior. Okay,
Okay, good.
confluence. Like that. The night when I wrote down the confluences or whatever stock that was on the chart, I could do something like that. Like maybe screen.
Yeah, I'd love, yeah, that would be perfect to let us know like the confluence you saw.
I saw. Yeah. Okay.
And then we have a problem. Okay. All right. Thanks, Moo.
Yeah. No
Who's
diggity.
who's gonna share next?
Ricky. Ricky, are
Okay,
you
good.
ready?
Go, Ricky.
Okay,
Hey.
I've been battling my headphones this whole time. I can't get them to connect to my laptop. It's frustrating.
Oh no.
Let me see. So it's okay. I guess I'll use them. Are you sharing? Share my screen?
Yeah. Where is that share button at, Ari? Because I'm not on that side. I think it's okay, boom. It say you started sharing. Okay, boom. Yeah, I
Okay.
think I clicked multiple share thingies. So yeah.
Okay. So today, yeah, it's Sunday. Yesterday, I was just doing the homework and charting and stuff,
Mm-hmm.
and I was charting CrowdStrike for kind of for practice,
Mm-hmm.
or I was watching it because on Friday it made that move, this
Yeah.
big one, this is the daily, and I'm I had put this in my watch list on Robinhood today. Oh, well, on
Mm-hmm.
Sunday just to take a look, and I had a bunch of other ones on my watch list,
Mm-hmm.
but I didn't take this one because this was like it was the pricier of each one.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, oh, you know what, I'm not gonna take it. And then in the morning, it kind of like just took off on me. But what I was seeing here is these are my confluences.
Mm-hmm.
seen that first is that downtrend on the dailies and lower high, or here kind of, well, it's kind of equal high almost.
Oh
And
yeah.
um, also saw that it was this right here, this
Mm-hmm.
death cross.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Death cross, that's two.
Mm-hmm.
Um, also saw that it was forming kind of like a bull flag. I mean, it's a bear flag right
Mm-hmm.
here, right here.
That's three.
And then you put the fib on it. It was somewhat rejecting the five. Kind of,
Yeah.
or it didn't really reject it because there's no wick, or there's a little wick, but it's not like a strong one. So I
Yeah.
don't know if that would have been that great. Could have. Well, anyways, um, so there's a lower high here, um,
Mm-hmm.
and this was Friday. So Friday it broke out of the flag.
Yep.
Yep. You know? And so my entrance was gonna be right here. So I put my marker right here.
Uh-huh.
So this could have been my entrance. And then my take profit, I think I had this at 1 to 3, but it could have been, or this should have been up here above this. But since it was kind of a big range, I kind of just put it tighter, just put it to the one
Yeah.
to three, just to be
Mm-hmm.
safe, you know.
Okay.
And then in the morning, so I think, honestly, what do you think? How's that look?
That looks amazing. And then I'm looking at the MACD at the bottom. I see the red dot and I see,
Mm-hmm.
you know, all the performance there. That's at least five things. The only thing that I don't see, what you could have done because you did mark up the bear flag was the measurement of the pole.
Okay, I
Yeah,
hear you.
from the low
That
to
would
the
have
high.
been. Oh, is it the measurement? Let me see.
Yeah, the price range. All the way at the end.
Did I press this? Oh, I pressed the wrong one.
Yeah.
So to the high, you said?
No, to the low. From the low to the high. Yeah, down there, right there, boom. And then come under Friday's candle.
Oh no, what am I doing? Okay.
Match your
Right there.
target.
Boom, right there.
Okay, yeah, I didn't. I guess I didn't think of that because I was using the fib as targets, but.
No, you still can. You still can. But that
Mhm,
kind of give you like a, you know, if it breaks the demand that you have
mhm,
drawn up, then you know exactly where it's going. And it gives you the percent and how much
mhm,
money. So that's like $111, which is
mhm.
huge. You
Yeah, because
know, where it
this
go.
one right
It's
here,
coming.
it was like 2,700.
Woo! Yeah, that one on Friday was like 3,500.
I know, I'm making me
That's
so
in my
mad thinking about
contract.
it.
But yeah,
But I don't feel so bad because like, cool, if I could do this again, you know, it's not, I'm not too, like, I'm kind of bummed out a little bit because the contract was like $600, and if I would just entered right here in the morning, I think what caught me was that it took off so fast. What do you do in that situation? You just buy it
you talking about if it leave you?
in the morning, like I don't know, like buying it open, you know, like
Yeah, that would have been the perfect time. I
just to
mean,
buy.
and low key, it's still not too late. It did hit the TP1 on the fib, but
Mhm.
got a lower low. But tomorrow morning, I mean, if you still want to get it, because it definitely still has room for lower. I mean, look at
Yeah, I was thinking
Oh,
that too. You see,
wow.
right now it has a lot of momentum,
yeah, yeah,
but
it does.
I don't want to
Buku.
chase it either.
But you know it's at the 800.
Yep.
Yeah,
At
so I could
800.
reject this right here.
It could. That's why I was going to say wait and see what it does,
Mhm.
because
Yeah.
if a bearish candle is open tomorrow, it's
Mhm.
gonna go lower. It's gonna hit that next TP. It possibly could come right back down to that demand down there.
Oh, and tap it, retest this.
It could, or it
Mhm.
could just keep dripping. You know,
Mhm.
it could.
There's
So
no stopping it.
yeah, it's
Mhm.
because the 800 is the reversal one, but do
Mm.
know and remember and keep in mind that anything under the 800, it is super bearish.
Wow.
Mhm. I see
Yeah.
that. Cool. Yeah, so this was yesterday. So I mean that's cool. So okay, so you said best time just buy it in the morning, even if it takes off, just buy it, and then I don't know. I just feel like what if it like settles and comes back or something? I don't know. I think I
I mean,
just
it could, but that's why you gotta have a little stop loss in there,
I hear you.
just in case.
Mhm.
But it looks great. I
Mhm.
would just wait to see if it's because if it's open, like if it's a bearish candle tomorrow, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be lower than that 800. Then I would definitely get in. and you know it's going to be on their way to that 310, to that next TP on your fib there.
Oh,
So,
it's
and
running.
then, yep, and then you can put a horizontal line at the bottom of that measurement, because if it keeps going,
Target.
and you know what too, and you got to look at like the dot on the MACD, right? So you see the bar above it, that red bar is just
This one?
one.
It's the
Yeah,
momentum.
that's
Yeah.
a fresh bar.
Mhm.
Right, because if you look back at the previous red dot, you see how the bars are fresh. The red on the MACD I'm looking at.
Yeah.
Go back one dot, one red dot. Right there. Yep. You see how the bars start? They start small and then they get deeper and deeper, and then here comes Kermit, right? And on this red one, Kermit is already in the building.
But right here, this would be considered a divergence, no?
Mm-mm.
Let me see.
Because it's going
Yeah,
down, and
it's
then over
going
here
down.
is
Yeah, and this
going up.
market is going up. Yeah, that
Yeah.
is divergence. Yeah, that's bearish
Yeah.
divergence. So it
That
was,
means that's a reversal, right?
yep, and then it just came down. So, but you got to look at the MACD having that fresh red bar. So at least can go down 1, 2, 3, 4 more, because I don't see it. I mean, and I could be wrong. I don't see it making one bar and then pop back up, but it could, because it's at the 800. So, but then you got Kermit out there too. You know, so it's yeah, because once it gets under, or if it gets under that 800, that's lights out. It's tank all day long. That's the bearishest bearish can get. All after the death cross, yeah, go to the
That's
800.
true.
And that's what
Yeah.
I was just saying about AMD. Because if AMD passed the 200, it's going to the 800. That's just how the EMAs work.
Sweet. So I think I'm gonna wait for maybe. I'm gonna see what it does tomorrow. See if
Yeah,
it breaks the 800, or if it does a pullback, that'd be a good entry point too. Because I'm pretty sure it's still
yeah.
gonna keep going down.
Yep. Because if it pulls back, then it's going to make another lower high.
Yeah.
And this probably can be another bear flag. But if it just want to keep going, then you have two other TPs right there, the 310, 16, and then you could put another horizontal line of the bear flag pole.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Interesting.
that could be it, because yeah, it looks really bearish, you know.
Let's
It's
see.
when you see a bear flag, just don't forget to mark up the pole and put it. And then remember, you always put it on the breakout candle of the flag,
I'm
just
gonna
like
make
you
that
did.
candle. Okay. So you're saying this one?
Hmm?
You said the breakout candle flag?
Yeah, that one right there. Yep, right where you put it. That's perfect.
Oh, okay.
Yep,
Yeah.
you got it. You got it. Yep, and just put a horizontal line at the end of the measurement, so you know where it's going,
How
and you
much
can
target? I hear
mark
you.
that up. Mark it up there, flag TP, baby.
Go. Sick. Yeah. So that was my trade yesterday that I didn't take today, but it was cool. It was good practice.
Good practice for sure. And then you say you was looking at QQQ.
Oh yeah, that one today, man. I'm telling you, I looked away for a second. I'm
That
just,
was
I
a
was at work.
crazy.
I was at
Oh,
work, and then I just took off. Well, it wasn't. I was waiting for it to for my entry, and then I looked away, and then by the time I get back, I didn't notice it was like 20 minutes later, and it was already down here. I was like, damn, I'm doing a cool trade. But I don't like to I don't want to like just take it and then like not be able to look at it because
yeah.
because last week we had a little bit of snow at work, whatever, because of the storms, whatever. So
Oh yeah.
I was home all week. So I was just like trading, and I was doing good until Thursday. I was like, I don't know, I had like small wins every day. Like maybe I made like $60 a day or whatever. And
Hey,
then
that's better than
Friday, I don't
nothing.
know what I did Friday. I went on tilt, and then I just got all emotional, and I freaking lost it all.
Oh no.
Yeah, but it was because it was so choppy. It kept getting chopped out.
Yeah, Friday. I don't like trading on Fridays. For that reason. It's a chop. You just be in the range. Support resistance. You're like, oh my god.
Yeah.
Somebody's
Oh,
coming
yeah. It was a
on.
chop, and then it was doing this type of stuff right here, where it's like it would be break down, and then it would come back up, wick, come back down. It was like, so this is what I was looking at today. That works. So I saw my sales signal. Oh, the opening range low and high, right?
Yeah, that's
So,
perfect.
and then my sorry, I'm drinking some coffee. I'm loaded. Okay, so sell
And
signal.
your and the breakdown and retest. It did it twice. When I
Y-
saw that, I got in
Right
right where
here.
your the green line at. No. You see the breakdown right after that. Yeah, that's the first one. And then
We
it
got right
pulled
here.
back. Yeah, that's my entry candle right there. That's
Oh,
when I got it.
yeah, that's what I have too. Cause right here. Okay, so this is the opening. See, this is the open. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay, I understand what you're saying. Yes. So over here. Yeah, that's what I
Boom.
was looking at. I was waiting for this. So I looked away right here somewhere.
Right. And you came back and you like, oh
I was like,
man.
oh, I took off. I was like, damn. I was like, cool. I'm getting better at this. My entries are getting pretty good. And then also
Yeah.
too, I this was my goal right here, my target, or
Okay.
previous day low. But this is my one of my key levels I use. I guess let me see off the daily.
Yeah, absolutely. Them key levels. You can trade key level to key level.
Mhm.
Sure can.
Yeah. What did you see to enter?
Me?
Yeah, on the
Oh,
QQQ.
right
Oh,
here. This is my key level
hold
right
on.
here.
Okay, that's good. That's a
My
good
key
one, Ricky.
my key
Yeah.
level right here.
Previous day low.
And it goes
Yeah.
over here to look. It's just a random key level that I see, like a resistant. Sorry, support that I see that
Mm-hmm.
has reactions to.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But this is like a strong one where it just kind of reversed a little bit,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
bounced, and then over here it kind of wicked it, and then over here it kind of well, it just crossed through. It didn't really bounce exactly off it, so this could have been another level. But it also too, it's a previous day low, so I feel like there's some sort of
Mm-hmm.
you
Yep.
know. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Now on the 5, I used I have in my main thing honestly that I feel like has been working at least pretty decent with me. Eventually, and I feel I'm just keep practicing is the combination of the open range of
Mm-hmm.
breakout for the entry, and then just looking at the EMAs, and I feel like that gives me the most like. Oh, and also too with the MACD. Well, yeah, those are like the main ones. I feel like I have a
Yeah.
lot of like I don't know. I
The
feel more
EMAs.
confident with it. The EMA is mostly.
Yeah, there you go. Remember, I told you to the left of the 5, stay in the
Mhm.
trade. So already answer your question. It was
Mm-hmm.
put your mouse like where you got that white line at.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right there, right? So right there, or yeah, that candle right there was the second, it was another tap, right? And then the next candle, go over one, go over one to the right. No, not that one. No, right where you were. Go back to where you were.
Right here.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's the retest. That's the second retest of there. So then I had put a line under there. So the very next candle, put the mouse on the next one, was my entry candle. Boy,
Mm-hmm.
and my stop loss was above the previous candle high, and as you can see, it never went back. And that thing, I stayed in there for about 6 candles, and it was almost at
What's the percentage?
80%. I was like,
Oh
"Yo,
man, that's nice.
yeah, it was beautiful. It was
Yeah,
absolutely beautiful."
so that's what I was
Yeah.
looking for. So I saw the breakdown, the retest,
Uh-huh.
and it came
Yeah.
back up. And I was that's right here when I stopped looking because like I don't have time to be waiting. I guess I did, but I don't know. I just like, I had to put my phone away, and then I was like, this would have been my entry, and I would have for sure gone down.
Mm-hmm.
For sure.
And
That
then
was such a
seeing this
beautiful trade
too
today. I hope tomorrow doing a live is gonna do that again, but we'll see.
tomorrow. Well, Trump's talking tomorrow, so who knows?
Oh,
I
he is.
know. Get the State of the Union. But that's
Yeah.
at
So,
night though.
At what
But
time?
oh, is it at
Oh,
night? I think it's in
yeah,
the
it's at
morning.
8
okay.
o'clock. It's
Oh,
at 8 o'clock tomorrow night.
Oh, okay. So
there was
he's talking. It's
there was,
the nation.
there was that one. What else I have today? I think Tesla made a move today too. Let me see.
Not Tesla.
Tesla's been dropping.
Yep, like crazy. Tech is just not doing good right now. That's
It's
why I
been
was watching
choppy.
CNBC. And he's like,
Everything's
this
been
is
choppy.
yeah, that thing had a nice drop. Using Tesla, boy. It looked like Microsoft. Microsoft did that same move, was consolidating and then just
Oh
dropped.
yeah, yeah. So this one I kind of got in late, but I just marked it out just for the practice too.
Okay.
Oh no, wait, I was wrong about this. No, this one's kind of weird actually. The entry because MC. Oh no, actually I didn't trade this today. But this is my
Oh,
opening range. It would have been down here.
okay.
Yeah, I didn't look at it right. Okay, but
There you go. Yeah.
what was the main thing? But I think the trade that I see, I'm trying to do. Well, I've been looking at is this. I don't know if you could take a look at this. I always look at Ain't, but I feel like it never has a lot of volume, so I don't know what to believe.
Ain't it? Ain't it? This
I think
morning?
it's tech too, so
Yeah, tech is just not where it's at right now.
what am I looking at here? Okay.
ANET's at the 200.
Oh,
Let's see if
Well,
it breaks it. So that'll be a good one to watch.
oh,
It's been bouncing off of the 200.
you've
Look
been
at that.
watching it too. So I see this triangle.
oh yeah. Uh-huh.
Massive little triangle right here, right?
Right.
And today it
It broke,
bounced.
it
Broke.
closed.
Yeah, on the daily it closed out of it.
Oh, that's a good one.
Mm.
And right here on the 4 hour, I think it did it. I want to say it tapped it again. It broke and retest. So I put this line here. So I feel like if it breaks down this line, I feel like I could have an entry. And then
Oh
I
yeah.
measured
That's what I was gonna ask you.
this here. Well, I measured from the high because it was kind of weird, it had weird price action. It's been like, I guess, well, I don't know if this is choppy. What kind of is choppy? Let's see, there on the day, I think.
That's a good one. I guess if it breaks, if it closes below the 200, since it's so close.
Oh
Mhm.
yeah.
I measured from here to here, right? Is that right?
Yeah.
And then I measured from the bottom up here to here. So it'd have been my target.
Okay. Right about the 800.
So I'm just waiting to see if this doesn't bounce back up or not. Yeah, so this would have been my entry. I think this, but also to me, my confluences, what would they be? So it'd be I'm under the EMAs. The EMAs
Yeah.
are right. Well, these are not the. It's not the death crosses, just the fast ones. The 50 over the 5 and the 13.
Mm-hmm.
My cell. Let me see. This is turning red, but it's not really permitting yet. This is. I got
It's
that'd be
headed
enough.
that way. It looked like
Either
it.
way. Yeah, it
Yeah.
looks like it wants to. Look at me. Yeah, I'd have to
Yeah,
maybe
like
see
it
this
wants
week.
to. Yeah. I would wait for it to close under the 200. That will be the nail in the coffin.
Cool.
Yeah. The close under the 200, going to the 800 for sure.
Sick.
But yeah, they look bearish. They do, and it's like, yeah, that one looks weird, but
Yeah, it looks funky. I don't trust it.
like it's been in that triangle, look like for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
has. But
So
the
this is
EMAs are pointing down though.
the MACD too.
And the MACD too, yep, for
Mm-hmm.
sure. So yep, look bearish. I would just wait for that close under the 200 and that, and you know exactly where it's going. So you can set the alert for that line that you got right there, and it'll
So
let
right
you
here, what do you think? All right, so should I set this on the 5 minute or the daily
either
or
one.
the door?
I mean,
Okay.
yeah, if it closes on the 5 minutes, it's gonna close on the daily, so it doesn't matter.
Sick. Cool.
Yes, sir.
I
So
think that's what I had lined up. See, I had a bunch of them. Yesterday, I saw like I've been this whole week. I just since I've been snowed in, not snowed in, but it's been raining, and I
yeah.
just been on the charts, just looking at stuff. Or doing the homework mostly.
Oh man, are you snowed in up there?
Not where I'm at exactly, but where I'm working at on the way there. Yeah, it was snowing a little bit. Oh, it was snowing in the mountains, so they just canceled the work because of the rain and stuff.
Man, what about you? Are you in Chicago? Is it snowing in the Chi-Town?
No, we had our snowstorm, I'd say maybe early in the month. And
Oh,
we had snow flurries today, but it's cold. It's been in the 20s. And
Oh wow,
with the
Guys were-
wind chill, it feels like it's 8. It's single digits. It's cold.
no,
It's
ours is weird.
cold.
It's been cold in the morning. It's not even that cold. It's been like 30 something, like 35, and then it gets freaking hot during the day, dude. It's like 75, being like 80.
sound bipolar.
That's nice. I like that though. I'll
It's
take
cool,
it.
but yeah, that's true. Being in the sun, it just sucks. But there's like the
Absolutely.
temperature, but not the sun being on you just feels nasty, you know.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Let me
especially
see.
with wishy-washy weather.
What else I got? I got a bunch. Let me see. I think I got another trade too. Let me see. Okay, maybe. So today I made 160 bucks on silver.
Good.
I could have stayed on it longer too, but I don't know. I have a thing about leaving trades overnight. I just have such like a big old fear. There's momentum right here.
That little fear. Oh yeah, you got in going up.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Yeah, in this silver play. This one did print today for sure.
Yeah, I mean like 160. I could have set longer, but I was like, you know what? I don't want to sit in this for overnight.
You said no. Let me
Adi,
get
are
out.
you up?
Let me get out.
You got your money and go.
Yeah, I'm just like it was like 30 something percent. So I'm like, oh, that's good. I don't know why I'm. That's not like more. That's like more than enough, you know.
Right. Yeah. You ain't want to be greedy, huh?
Oh, the greed. That damn.
Yeah. Absolutely. I was like,
What are you saying, Ari?
No, no,
just,
I'm over here. I was putting my daughter. She needs to go to
okay.
bed. It's late.
Oh yeah. She said his name. Girl, it's 8:42. Where you at?
But for her, it's late. But because
Oh.
because I'm on the laptop, she thinks she can just play around and goof
Oh.
around.
Think mom's not paying attention.
Exactly.
You know how the kids do,
You know,
baby.
yeah, exactly. You know how it is.
Hey,
We were there before.
Exactly.
hey, excuse me. Good night, y'all. I stumbled across your chat going on your Facebook, and I'm interested. Like, how do you learn how to do that charting like the way y'all did? I think it's pretty cool.
Oh, hi. What's your name?
Volume?
Your name Volume?
No, yeah. Well, on this in this chat is volume.
Oh.
We like it. We like it.
Okay, right. Absolutely. Hey, Volume.
Hey, what's going on?
What's going on? You came in at the tail end, but how do you learn to chart? That is a loaded question, Volume.
Yeah, because I'm getting tired of guessing. Like I just guess, and you seem like y'all give better steps.
Mm,
Yeah, the steps, like you say, what is it, confluence and all of
Hmm.
yeah.
those different signs and signals. I'm not. I just guess. Like, and sometimes I guess right,
Don't do
sometimes
that,
I
man.
guess
Don't
wrong.
do it.
You gotta sign up to Mu University.
Okay,
Hey.
Moo's gonna teach you.
a
Yeah,
word.
because at some point everybody was where you are, Volume.
Hmm.
You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? Yeah. And then we're here tonight so it can be even better, right, guys?
Hmm.
But yes, okay, so what's your real name though?
Dennis Brown.
Dennis. Hey,
Dennis
Dennis.
Rodman.
Dennis Riley. Oh, the
No, he said
basketball player.
you said Dennis Brown or Dennis
No.
Rodman.
It's Dennis Brown. Oh, he done went out. Volume done hit the
Mm.
volume button on us.
Oh, my bad.
Okay.
I thought I was talking and it wasn't saying nothing. But Dennis Brown, sorry, like the
Oh,
color.
okay, Ron.
Okay,
Yeah.
gotcha. Dennis, you are from South Carolina, aren't you?
No, I'm from the Bahamas. Close though.
Oh,
Oh,
okay. He
yeah.
said close.
Yeah,
I,
nah,
I
because
thought
I
I heard
get
a little Geechee.
yeah, I get what you call it? I get mistaken for Geechee, but how the slaves came from the Bahamas to actually South Carolina. So we're descendants of one another. So that's why
Uh,
I said that.
Cool.
okay. See, I know my ears work pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. But I think we're friends on Facebook.
Yes.
Mew?
Her. Moo, that's me. That's me. Yes, yes, sir. So Dennis, you obviously joined the Discord, right?
Yeah, I did. I joined the Discord.
Okay, well, welcome to the Discord family, Mr. Dennis. I see you in here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Your name is Offington, huh?
Mm-hmm. They got all
Okay.
type of name. Yeah.
Hey, listen, I see everything. Okay, I got you. Well, welcome. And
Thanks.
so yeah, and if you make sure, Dennis, you can see all of the channels in the Discord. You got to read the instructions. A lot of people just blow over it and then they're like, oh, they only see like two things. So when you get a chance, just make sure that you read the rules so you can see all of the channels in there. And then that way you can be part of the live. So tomorrow morning, on Tuesdays, I trade live, the stock market and futures. And then Thursday, my friend Jess, she does the futures. And if you want to get out of the guessing mode, I have plenty of material that you can look at in the Discord. And if you want to take the class, I mean, everyone on here took my class, so you can ask them how they
Okay.
go ahead.
Okay.
Ask away, guys. How'd you like the class? Ricky, Ari, Tanya.
Stress me out, man.
No, no, like now I can read charts. I didn't know it was a guessing game too. Or not even guessing. I think we were, or at least I was under just another impression of looking at charts. I started off with following someone that recommended to buy options based on their cost. And that has nothing to do with chart analysis. So that steered me the wrong way and I lost lots of money. And so now I know how to read charts.
Yeah, the technical analysis is really. I think the more you do it, too, the more you realize, like, it really is. Sometimes I feel like it is more important than fundamental. Maybe not like the whole way, but at least when it comes to like timing and then like when to buy and what prices to look at, or where pretty much, yeah, where your entries are. Because I don't know, sometimes I feel like the news won't really affect certain stocks a certain way. I don't know if that makes sense or not. I don't know.
No, that's a fact. That's a fact. Yeah, they say fundamentals teaches you which stock to buy. Technical analysis shows you the entry point.
Yeah,
Mhm.
totally.
Totally. Yep. It's totally night and day because technical analysis is skill based. Fundamentals is information based.
I think it's time too.
Yes.
You have to
And
you put more time
emotions.
in the fundamental.
Yeah. And fundamentals is great. Research until your heart is content. But if you don't know a strategy, then you're always going to be guessing. And then, money don't grow on trees. You ain't trying to keep guessing forever, right?
I hear that.
That part. So, Dennis, if you want to take the class, you definitely can. And then the good part about the class is that you can take it at your own pace. Like you can, all the videos are online, or you can take it with myself, which is like one-on-one coaching. So however you learn, it's up to you and your schedule because everybody's schedule is different, but everybody on here took the one-on-one with me. Ain't nobody want to watch the videos.
Yeah, do the one-on-one because she keeps you accountable.
Oh yeah, yeah. How much does it cost to take the class?
It's $250 a week, and it's 1,500 total. And by the time you take the class, you definitely have your money back if you listen to me and if you practice.
I would have been had it early. Today would have been tight. That was $2,700. I should have
And you
took it.
say 250 a week. Okay. So, and what are we doing trades within that time? Like
Yeah, because I give you like option plays to get into,
hmm. Okay, okay,
to get
okay.
that money back.
I think
So
it's
And
they
worth
what
it.
and
Super worth it.
what's the win ratio?
will go in the Discord and look. They in there.
Okay.
You can go in. It's in the day trading games and the wait,
It's,
what it's
it's
called.
worth it, dude. I suggest you do it if you're
All
interested.
right. Let me
If you're interested, it's gonna cost you more money you guessing than it is for you to like take your class.
understood, understood. I will look at it. Thank you.
All right, sure, no problem. It's under stock option games. You can take a look at the ones under there.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. All right, y'all. Well, that concludes our class for this week. And you guys did an amazing job. So just make sure you set your alerts and remember the bar chart support and resistance. Those are definitely,
Mhm.
yeah, especially when anytime you see a lower high followed by a higher low and vice versa. And no, a lot of times, like if the price does that in real time, like in 5 minutes while you're trading, like I would just always put a line under the lower high and a line above. I'm sorry, under the higher low and above the lower high to see which direction is price gonna give. So that would be like my temporary support and resistance because that's gonna tell you which direction the price is gonna go, which structure is gonna break. So, and that'd be somebody trying to fake you out because if it's going up, the buyers come in. If it's going down, the sellers come in. So yeah, that part. So this would be I'll post this recording. Actually, it's already in there under the YouTube section because this was live. So
Sweet.
Oh, okay.
so you guys can come back and watch it if you need to, and I'll post it in a group for people who missed it. So that's that. So we'll be back next week, 8:30. If y'all want to throughout the week post your charts, feel free to screenshot and we'll get to it.